The eufy Smart Lock C34 offers seamless integration with the Apple Home ecosystem, allowing for easy control through your iPhone, and it supports other smart home platforms like Alexa and Google Home. This smart lock provides multiple access options, such as via app, keypad, physical key, or voice commands, catering to the needs of all family members. With a battery life of up to 8 months, powered by 8 AA batteries, the eufy Smart Lock is designed for longevity and reliability. Remote control is made simple with this device, as it can be managed through Apple Home or other compatible apps, providing real-time notifications and event logs. Installing the eufy Smart Lock is straightforward, taking approximately 15 minutes without the need for drilling, and it's compatible with standard doors in the US and Canada. The product is backed by excellent customer service, offering 18 months of electronic protection and 36 months of mechanical coverage, supported by professional round-the-clock assistance.